Hey sweeties, do you want to be a superhero parent at your kid's next class party or play date? Well, I have a tip for you. Here's a quick and easy and healthy treat that the kids will love and the parents will enjoy. And excuse the background noise that you may hear because this is a busy household. But let me show you what you'll need for this little treat. You're gonna need a variety of fruit. I selected some strawberries, grapes, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. And then you're gonna need some ice cream cones. I chose the ones with the flat bottoms. Some wooden skewers, chocolate, sprinkles, and washi tape, and a scissor. First, we're gonna melt some chocolate chips in the microwave. So you only have to melt it about 30 seconds. And if that doesn't do it, add another 30 seconds, but be careful and watch it. You're gonna dip it in the chocolate. You're gonna add some sprinkles. And then set it in the fridge so that the chocolate can harden for a little bit. While the cones are setting in the fridge, you wanna get started on your skewers. I'm gonna cut the skewer a little bit because the skewer that I got is bigger. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it right there. With your washi tape, I have some ice cream cone ones, some little banners. Put the washi tape, the skewer, cut it. Make a little triangle, like a little flag. There you go. And now we're gonna do a blueberry, a strawberry, grape, and whichever other one. And then another strawberry. Now I got my cone, the chocolate's already set, and I'm ready to put the skewer inside. Before that, you just wanna cut the tip of it. And the reason why I put another strawberry is because it's perfect to anchor it on the bottom of the ice cream cone. So here you go, we got the little cone, and now we're just gonna fill in a couple of spots with some remaining berries. And there you have it.